Yeah, okay.
So these are the tinctures.
Uh-huh.
So they're all alcohol based.
Uh-huh.
I do make my own alcohol, but I don't know if that's
Yeah.
if I
That's awesome.
because then I know what's in it.
Yep, for sure.
These are all our mushrooms, all wild harvested. We got hedgehog, bullet, oyster. A lot of times I like to grind them in a coffee grinder and then put them in soup, stews, burgers.
Oh my god,
burgers.
Yeah,
and
but
you make these tinctures and oils, or are they
just
oil?
tinctures?
Oh, just tinctures. Yep. I gotcha.
I do infuse like the comfrey and peony and rose into coconut oil or avocado oil or castor oil for salves, lotions.
And you sell these?
I do.
Can I buy a bunch before we leave?
Yeah, if you want to.
Oh yes, I totally do. I'm so psyched.
But yeah, so and then chaga. We drink a lot of chaga tea in the winter. Mix it with coffee.
Oh, I heard that's so healthy.
We have like 30 gallons of wild rice. Yes.
What does chaga tea do? Because I've heard different things about that.
It kind of boosts your immunity. You know, well, not boost, but it just like balance. Yes, supports your immunity.
Nice.
Cleanses the blood. Kind of detoxifies.
Oh, I'm gonna buy some of that.
Apple cider vinegar.
Yeah.
That's like one of my main things because you can infuse herbs, mix it with honey for oxymels, and then salad dressings and just overall health.
Stomach, everything, overall everything. Like really good for your stomach too, right?
Totally.
For digestion.
Yes, and it's different when you do it from your own home, your own crab apples.
Yeah. In
comparison to buying like Bragg's, even though that's really good.
Yeah.
It's just makes a difference. Yeah.
Wow. And what are all these here?
We got hemp. We grew hemp one year. Rosemary, nettle. I harvested a ton of nettle.
Right here, this.
Cause we eat it like in everything all winter long. Infusions, tea infusions.
It's better than Benadryl.
Yes.
Yeah, it works really well for allergies.
And then just like right now, this is actually not very much because it's the new season, so I kind of clear stuff out. But just, bee balm. Wormwood, lemon balm, skull cap, catmint, valerian, mugwort. This gets full.
And how much of this is growing here on the property?
Everything.
Everything. That is so
awesome.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
And curly dock, I save for, like if we were making crackers or the ducks love it. It's like a special treat in their water. And they just like fish for it, so it gives them something to do in the winter. Yeah, and then just a lot of canned goods down there, which is also cleared out and ready for this whole season. I think in 2 days, I harvested 10 pounds of blueberries and Juneberries. Wow. So that all went into
yep.
Jam.
Look at those jams.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at those.
It's a little like I have an issue with jam. Like I can't get. I don't use pectin. But I kind of like it this way, like on homemade bread. Yeah. And that's going to be the big thing this fall. It's too hot to make bread right now.
Right.
But
wow. And you've got your off-grid cabin here in northern Minnesota, my friends. It's paradise. It just feels wonderful.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. Did you want me to show? You want to show something else, or?
I don't know. We have the lotions are kind of down there, but these are like we do all of our sage. This with it's one way to use rose petals. I feel like for beauty. Otherwise, I just mix rose petals in a tincture or in a salve.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing.
Yeah. This is horsetail from today. It's really good for like antifungal, and I have a family member that's got fungal feet right now.
Yeah, it's high in silica. It'll actually rebuild connective tissue as well.
Oh.
Because of the silica in it.
Awesome.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're growing a pharmacy, God's nature's pharmacy, everywhere around here.
Oh yeah.
That is so neat.
Everywhere I look, actually, everywhere I go, I see medicine and food. I don't not see it anywhere.
Yeah, it's everywhere. Like there is this and that, but you know what it is.
Right.
And that knowledge is lost. It's a lost art, right? For the most part.
Yeah.
There's people that know, but it's it used to be like every grandma on the street
right.
knew what at least was in their area. Now it's maybe one in thousands and thousands of people that know this stuff.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah. And that's a huge thing, is being able to see one plant from another.
Yeah.
You know, some people walk by a bunch of stuff. You know, on bike trails, people just bike by, and I'm like, there's fruit trees hanging over the road, and it's like, oh my gosh. And then they're like, what are you doing? I love it when people ask me what I'm doing. And I'm like, picking berries, you know, what are
wow.
they?
That is
great.
so beautiful. And thank you for showing us and exposing the world to this possibility, because this is the future. This is the healthy, sustainable, regenerative, loving, and logical future of humanity.
Logical, yes. Loving and logical.
Awesome, everybody. Wow. Oh. natureismylover.com.
Yep.
Okay, so if they want to order some of your products, Nature is my lover. I give this the highest endorsement I've ever given any medicine in the history of everything, right? Which doesn't mean nothing to most of you, but it means a lot to me. I am so excited. I'm buying a bunch of stuff.
Awesome.
Awesome, everybody. Thank you.